My name's Stuart Gordon. I'm the Group Health and Safety Director for Stonebond. I look after the entire group, including 6 regional offices.
My name is Tristan Tompkins. I'm the Construction Director for Stonebond St Albans.
We've got 14 live projects currently. That's intended to grow over the next 2 to 3 years to beyond 20. We operated a paper-based system which comes with a lot of admin, a lot of manual inputting, opportunity for human error, allows for records to be lost or damaged, which is detrimental to the business. It's vital that we have those records for a number of years after for data analysis, for potential claims, for accidents, incidents, health issues, and that has been a big problem historically, is losing data once a project finishes.
When I joined the business, coming from a previous business where we were all digital, going back to the paper side of it was very old school.
We looked at many different options. Nothing really ticked all of the boxes when we found Dashpivot. The user friendliness of the forms and how you create them was something that stood out from other companies.
We discovered Dashpivot via one of our subcontractors, and then when we started to use their product on site, we then discovered how easy it was to use, how simple the system was, and how user-friendly it was.
The other thing was the workflows, that you could connect, communicate information, sign off to other stages within the project. People can remotely go into a system. You don't have to sign a form next to each other.
The software has been received very, very well, better than expected to be honest, and we think that's just down to the usability of the system.
The main use of the Dashpivot started with health and safety documentation. We have 100+ forms that we easily digitalised and started there. It's then grown into our construction departments for quality assurance.
We can now assess our subcontractors digitally and then keep that information for our records. We've broken that down into individual sequences of works, and they are all labelled.
They can scan a QR code, get access to a form that they need. They don't necessarily have to go to the site office anymore.
Once they've successfully filled out the form with the relevant photos, what are required on the system, they can then submit that. That gets sent through to our site manager, ready for review, inspection and sign off. So it just streamlines that process.
And the ease of the operation will make people want to be compliant because it's not convoluted. We use Flowsite as an integration tool to take data out of the Dashpivot system into Power BI so it can generate automated reports. It goes into our board reports to our clients, and this is vital in demonstrating where we're at as a business and where our projects are. The benefits have been infinite for our business. This saves a lot of time and travel costs that allows us to do other tasks that we wouldn't necessarily be able to do. Not only that, it's the consumables you need for your paper-based systems. All of that is eradicated by using the Dashpivot system.
I would highly recommend Dashpivot to all construction companies and all other companies that are looking to roll out what we've done across the business.
I would recommend using Dashpivot, Sitemate, Flowsite for any construction company that wants to use any form of documentation and move to a cloud-based system.